Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit your audio on the Capcut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and after that you can create a new project or use your previous project. And here I already have my previous project on it. I already have the video, but then I have no audio for this video project. And then the things that I have to do now is adding the audio first. How to add audio? You just need to go click this plus button or plus add audio on it, and then after that you just need to go click sounds. And the sounds, you will freely access the sounds that are already provided by the CapCut. Okay, you can just have a check first. And after that you just need to go click this plus button to add the music when you already find it. And don't forget to adjusting the length from the audio to have the same length with the video that in our project, just by click the part of the audio, and after that go click split and delete the rest. And now we already have the audio that have the same length with the clip. And how to edit more, just need to go click the part of the audio again, and after that to add several effects you just need to go click voice effects. In this voice effect you can just find out the effects that you want to apply. If you want to make it become like a deep notes, you just need to go click this deep. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. So that's it. That's the way how to edit the audio on a CapCut. If you find that the tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.